Hello friends, welcome to my educational channel. Now in this we have started the 8th standard science syllabus and the topic is health and disease. Before this we have discussed the infectious disease and now we are going to discuss all the non-infectious diseases. The diseases that are not occurred due to the infection or they do not occur by the touch. They are called as non-infectious diseases. They occur by itself due to some or the other reasons. So now here we are going to discuss some of the non-infectious diseases. Some of the diseases are like cancer, diabetes or the heart attack. Firstly, here in this video, we are just going to discuss about what is cancer. You all know that cancer is very dangerous disease. Now let us see what is that cancer. First of all, cancer is simply the growth of the cells. In our body, there are a number of cells and always some of the cells die and the new cells are formed. But due to some or the other reason, some or the other abnormality, there is abnormal growth of the cells. As there is abnormal growth of the cells, large number of cells are produced and they just deposit, they just form the lumps, and these lumps, they are collected in one or the other organ. They are collected at different organs, like they may be collected in the breast or the liver or the uterus or the lungs or even the brain, and that we called as the brain cancer, and that is very dangerous. Sometimes these lumps, they may not be dangerous and sometimes they are very dangerous. If they are dangerous, then surely it is the tumor and that is of the cancer, that is enormous growth. There are different reasons due to which the cancer occurs, and one of the most important reason is the consumption of gutka or tobacco. They are very dangerous. Along with that, smoking, alcoholism, lack of fiber content in our food, excessive consumption of the junk food, and many are the other reasons for causing the cancer. If the person is suffering from cancer, there is the weight loss. Along with the weight loss, there is inflammation, and also there is chronic cough and difficulty in swallowing. So now let us discuss again something detailed about this cancer. Let us see what is cancer. Cancer is just the uncontrolled and abnormal growth of the cells in our body. At different places, the cell starts growing very fast, and because of that, there is the uncontrolled and the abnormal growth of the cells, and that is the cancer. Because of this abnormal growth, group or lumps of cells are formed at different places, and these lump of the cancerous cells, that is called as malignant tumor. In Hindi or Marathi, we say it as gut. At different places in the body, the tumor is formed. Let us see at which organs the tumor can be formed. The tumor can be formed at various places, various organs like lungs, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, skin, tissue like blood, or even the brain, and everywhere at any place the tumor can be formed. But what are the reasons? Why does there is the uncontrolled growth of the cells? Why the cells grow abnormally? The reasons are different. Some of the reasons may be consumption of the tobacco. If the person is consuming tobacco, then there is more chance of getting cancer. Or consumption of the gutka, or having the habits like smoking or the alcoholism. Also, the lack of fiber content in the food, that can be the reason for cancer. But sure, we cannot say that these can be the reason. These are some of the reasons. Other than this, due to any other reason also, cancer can take place. Now, what happens when cancer is taking place or cancer is occurring to any of the other person? What are the symptoms? First symptom is the chronic cough, harsh voice and difficulty in swallowing. There can be incurable scars and inflammation, lumps in the breast, and unexplained weight loss. That is, too much weight is lost, and without any reason the weight is getting lost, then there may be the case of cancer. These are the symptoms, but these symptoms are different to different persons. Not necessary that these symptoms should be present in the patient of the cancer. Maybe it can happen that these symptoms are not present, but still the person is suffering from cancer. So in medical treatment or in medical cases, we cannot say that this is the rule that these symptoms should be seen. Maybe without these symptoms, the person can have the cancer. How to prevent this cancer? The main thing, first thing, that is controlled diet. Controlled diet, that is whatever we eat, accordingly the body works, accordingly the body behaves. So there should be controlled diet. Physical exercise, this is the key. Physical exercise is able to avoid all the diseases. So physical exercise, that also regularly, daily, it should be the habit. Avoid addiction. Any type of addiction you should not have. Addiction, that is if you are addicted to that thing, you need it in any condition. So you should avoid the addiction, especially addiction of tobacco chewing or addiction of smoking. If you avoid such things, you may be little bit safe from getting cancer. Here you can see the dangerous picture, and this is the reality. If the person has the cancer, if that person is having some or the other habit, such things can happen on its skin or any interior part of the body. So addiction should be avoided so as to avoid cancer. So here we have discussed about cancer.